We are now in the golden age of trading. So according to Bloomberg, the golden age of investing, that is over. We are no longer in buy and hold markets. We've now hit the golden age of trading, where essentially the game plan is buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat. If you've been trading the markets throughout 2023, especially commodities, you will know this is true. Those that are trend trading, they're trying to follow processes, whether they're doing momentum-based trading, whether they're trading and buying breakouts or buying breakouts of support, they're not making any money. I'm sure you've seen it. Again, throughout this year, we've identified with you how you want to play each of the cycles throughout each quarter. September, massively risk-off month. So what have we been doing over the course of the last week? Selling short into gold, into silver, into platinum, longing the dollar. The dollar trade is now up over 500 points, where we bought it in anticipation of the risk-off month for September. As you know, the platinum sell short, that has now broken down 700 points in just 1 week. We executed the trade with our clients last week. On Thursday, that trade has already broken down 700 points. This time last week, we were selling short silver at $24.50 per ounce. Now, just within a week, silver's broken down 6%, now trading back below $23 per ounce. We sold short gold last week at $1,945 per ounce. This trade is now delivering over 200 points. In fact, we're almost breaking back below $1,920 per ounce at the moment for gold, looking for a retest back down towards the swing lows. If you trade gold miners, you'll know GDX, that is tanking. Euro has been obliterated. We've got the pound US dollar trading all the way back down towards the swing lows here. Other markets that I'll definitely keep an eye on right now. You've got oil, which is up 20% over the last 3 months. It's trading at the highest levels in 2023. If you follow our newsletter, if you follow our reports, you know we've been predicting this off the back of the BRICS summit, where we essentially had news that Saudi Arabia, Iran, and United Arab Emirates, they're all going to be joining BRICS at the start of 2024. Further compounded by the fact that Saudi, at the beginning of this week, they've cut output not only until October, but all the way through to December in an effort to lift oil prices. We've now hit $90 per barrel for Brent crude oil. And then as we continue into next week, we now have CPI data on Wednesday. Next Friday is quad witching, which is notoriously risk off for the market. So essentially expect more pressure on stocks up until that point, and also the dollar to continue its ascent higher. Then as we go into the following week, we have the FOMC statement and the Bank of England. And next week, we have the European Central Bank announcement. Back-to-back news-driven opportunities for you again to capitalize on the golden age of trading. Just this week alone, we've banked over 1,000 points profit on the sell shorts with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. Everything that was just executed last week on the Thursday through to Friday before non-farm payroll data. So again, as you know, that calculation, every 1 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $10,000 of profit. Every 10 lot contract you'll be trading, that's $100,000 of profit. Now, you know those calculations already, but just for the monetary terms of these trade setups and the opportunities that are being presented to you week to week in the market, just comes back to the point, absolutely not a buy and hold market. Go back on any chart over this year, range bound price action. This is where you want to be capitalizing on the price action quarter to quarter, week to week, and month to month, which comes back to our point. You want to be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Further align that and learn the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycle for each commodity. Yeah? Then, of course, learning the capital flows in the market, how that affects each commodity. Be aware and understand the narratives, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals. Then, of course, the key areas of liquidity that are targeted so you can get your sniper entries in, and also know where to lock in your profits as well. And alongside that, learning the ratios, the intermarket correlations, and finally marrying that up with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.